Good day, class. For this session, we will talk about volume and temperature. When we say volume, that is the measure of space occupied by solid object or liquid object. And when we say temperature, it is the measure of hotness or coldness of a thing or body or even the environment. So let's talk about the volume. When we say volume, it is the space occupied by any sample of matter. Okay, so whether it is solid or liquid. So you calculate the volume of any cubic or rectangular solid by multiplying its length by its width and by its height. Okay, so when we are talking about solid, uh, through multiplying the length times width times height, we will obtain the volume. And the unit for volume is thus derived from the units of length, okay, because of the solid. Okay, when we are talking about solid, its unit is the units of length, okay? So for volume, its unit is liters or liter. So when we add the prefixes, we have, if the unit is liter, DL stands for deciliter, CL stands for centiliter, ML stands for milliliters. Then DAL stands for decaliter, HL stands for hectoliter, and KL stands for kiloliter. So kiloliter is the largest and milliliter is the smallest. So these figures give you some idea of the relative sizes of a liter and a milliliter. So the space occupied by this liquid is approximately 1 milliliter. Okay, then this liquid or the space occupied by this liquid is 1 liter. Okay, so see the difference, 1 milliliter, 1 liter. Okay, so a more convenient unit of volume for everyday use is the liter. So as I said earlier, consider the following conversion. So here are some conversion wherein we can use this for us to convert the unit in liquid to unit in solid, or given the object or given the sample matter as liquid, we are able to convert it to another unit in liquid or another unit in solid. Like for example, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. As you can see, 1 liter refers to the space occupied by the sample matter in liquid state. On the other hand, its equivalent in solid state is 1000 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So as you can see, when we are dealing with the volume of solid matter, our unit is raised to cube or raised to 3. Okay, so like for example, centimeter is units in length, and it is raised by 3. That's why it is cubic centimeter. So this one, cubic inches, it is also one of the units in length. Okay, next conversion, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, there is no cube because it is one of the units in volume where the sample matter is liquid. Okay, milliliter comes from the word liter. That's why there is no cube for this unit. Then 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Then it is approximately 3.78 liters. It means that 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters. Then 4 quarts is approximately 3.78 liters. Then 1 quart is equal to 57.75 cubic inches. So cubic inches, therefore, it is one of the units of length wherein the sample matter is in solid state. Okay, that's why it is in cubic inches. So you have to be familiar with the following conversion factor for us to easily solve or convert one unit to the other. Like for example number 1, convert 53 liters to hectoliter. As you can see, hectoliter is derived from liter. Okay, from the word liter, hectoliter. Okay, so in that case, we will use metric converter. So here, the metric converter, let's find liter. So liter is here and hectoliter is here, HL. In that case, from liter, let's move to hectoliter 1, 2. So 2 units. In that case, we are going to divide 53 by 100. Why divide? Because from right to left. Okay? So from right to left, we will divide. Then why 100? Because 100 has two zeros. Because here, we move 2 units. Okay? 2 units, therefore 2 zeros. And that is 100. So 53 divided by 100 is equal to 0.53. And our obtained unit is hectoliter. Or simply, move the decimal point on 53 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. Therefore, 0.53 hectoliter. Example number 2. Convert 25.97 centimeter cube to meter cube. Now, our units are in sample matter in solid state because we have centimeter and meter. Okay? So, in that case, we will use the unit converter of the units of length. Okay? So, this is the unit converter of the units of length. We have here meter and we have here centimeter. So in that case, from centimeter, let's move 1, 2, 2 units to the left. Okay. Okay, from centimeter to meter, 2 units to the left. So in that case, since we are dealing with volume, we're asked to find the number of movement of the decimal point. Let's have that movement. So we have 2 units. Movements or movement is equal to 2. Then multiply that movement by the cubic units. So our cubic units or the units is in cubic form. Therefore, that is 3. Okay, 3 cube. So we will multiply that 3 by the movement. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, we have to move the decimal point on the given 6 times to the left as well since we move here to the left. Okay? So, since the decimal point is between 5 and 9 here, so let's move 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 times to the left. Therefore, our obtained answer is 0.00002597 meter cube or cubic meter. Okay, again, when we are dealing with sample matter in solid state, that is in cubic unit, like this one, centimeter cube and meter cube. And to convert that, we will use metric converter in the units of length. Okay, so then after that, we'll count the movement. We have two movements. Then we will multiply that movement by 3. Okay, that is always 3. Always multiply the number of movements by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then after that, that obtained number 6 is the number of movements of the decimal point. So 6 times, then to the left. Because here we move to the left. Okay? So our answer is 0.00002597. Then the unit now is cubic meters or meter cube. Okay. So example number 3, let's convert 0.625 kilometer cube to meter cube. So in that case, we will also use the metric converter in length. Okay? So from kilometer to meter, 1, 2, 3. So 3 movements. After that, multiply that movement by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, the number of movements, okay, on our given is 9 movement of the decimal point to the, okay, to the right. So from here, let's move to the right. 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 625 million meter cube. Okay? So 0.625 kilometer cube is equal to 625 million meter cube. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this relationship. So the relationship among the units of measure of volume for liquids and solids are shown below. So as you can see, 1 milliliter that is in liquid is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, that is in solid. As you can see, in solid we have cubic units. Then 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. Then 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meter. Okay, you have to take note of this relationship. Like for example, let's convert 56 liter or liters to decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. That is equal to 56 liters, our given, times, use the conversion unit or conversion factor, we have liter to decimeter, cubic decimeter, we have 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. So, our denominator is the given unit. So, 1 liter of the numerator is its equivalent in solid state. We have 1 decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. So, our expression is 56 liters times 1 cubic decimeter over 1 liter. So let us simplify. Just eliminate the unit liter, then multiply 56 times 1 cubic decimeter, that is 56 decimeter cube or cubic decimeter over 1 is equal to 56 decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. Okay? The shortcut here is that just change the unit to cubic decimeter. Okay, so 56 liter per liters will become 56 decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. Just change the unit since 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. Okay, next 35 kiloliter to cubic meter. As you can see, our given is in liquid. So we will change that in solid. And using the conversion factor, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meter. So copy the given, 35 kiloliter multiplied by, so we have fraction, our given unit is kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meter. So just cancel kiloliter. Therefore, 35 times 1 cubic meter is equal to 35 cubic meter. Over 1 is 35 cubic meter. So, again, the shortcut here is just change the unit kiloliter to cubic meter since 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 cubic meter. Okay? Just change the unit. So 35 kiloliter is equal to 35 cubic meter. Next, 41 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter to milliliter. So 41 cubic centimeter times, as you can see, 1 cubic centimeter, that is our denominator, then the numerator is 1 milliliter. So cancel or eliminate this cubic centimeter, then multiply 41 times 1 milliliter is 41 milliliter. Divided by 1 is 41 milliliter. Again, the shortcut here is just change the unit. Okay, so 41 cubic centimeter is equal to 41 milliliters. Okay, so if the given is on this conversion factor, just change the given unit by the unit that we are going to find. Okay, so consider the following conversion. We have 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters. Then 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts is approximately 3.78 liters. So we already talked about this earlier. Then 1 quart is equal to 57.75 cubic inches. So let's convert the following. Convert 25 gallon to cubic centimeter. Okay, 25 gallons to cubic centimeter. We have 25 gallons are given multiplied by, as you can see, we are unable to directly convert gallon to cubic centimeter because there is no such thing as gallon to cubic centimeter. So first, let's convert that gallon to liter. Then after that, convert liter to cubic centimeter. Okay, to obtain cubic centimeter. So 25 gallons times, as you can see, the given is gallon. Therefore, our denominator is gallon. So 1 gallon is equal to 3.78 liters. So the numerator is 3.78 liters. Then after that, since our numerator here is liters, uh, our denominator and the next fraction is liters. So 1 liter, our numerator on that fraction is 1,000 cubic centimeter. 1,000 cubic centimeter. Then after that, we can cancel the units. So gallon, cancel gallon. Okay, so cancel liter, cancel liter. Then after that, let's simplify. 25 times 3.78 times 1,000 cubic centimeters is equal to 94,500 cubic centimeter. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So 94,500 cubic centimeters divided by 1 is approximately 94,500 cubic centimeters. So 25 gallons is equal to 94,500 cubic centimeters. Next, convert 53 liters to cubic centimeter. So here we have 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters. So we can directly convert that. So you can see 53 liters times our given is in liter. Therefore, our denominator is the liter unit. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeter. We can cancel liter. Therefore, 53 times 1,000 cubic centimeter is 53,000 cubic centimeter. Okay? Okay, so let's practice test. Directions, convert the indicated unit. Number 1, zero point 0.6 liter is equal to blank milliliters. 700 ml or milliliters is equal to blank liter. 5 liters is equal to blank milliliter. 78 cubic centimeters is equal to blank gallon. Then number 5, a boy fills a drum with 475 cubic centimeters of water. How many cubic meters of water does the drum contain? Just pause this video for you to answer this. Then after that, I will reveal the answer. Now, I will reveal the answer. For number 1, the answer is 600 milliliters. Number 2, 0.7 liter. Number 3, 5,000 milliliters. Number 4, 0.02 gallon. And number 5 is, okay, 0.000475 cubic meters. Okay, now let's move on to temperature. So for us, identify the hotness or coldness of an object or even the environment, we can use thermometer. Okay, and the units is either in degree Fahrenheit, in degree Celsius, or in Kelvin. So as you can see, we have here 26 degrees Celsius and 78 degree Fahrenheit. So they have the same measurement but in different form. Okay, we have in degree Celsius, on the other hand, in degree Fahrenheit, but they are equal. So it is the measure of hotness and coldness of an object that is the temperature. The different temperature scales are related as follows. These are the formulas for us to identify the equivalent measure of given temperature on the other unit of temperature. So let's have first the Kelvin. For degrees Kelvin, we have K for Kelvin is equal to 273.15 plus C, or in degrees Celsius. So for us to find the Kelvin, you have to have the given temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, so just add 273.15 on that given temperature in degrees Celsius to obtain the given or to obtain the degrees in Kelvin. So for degrees Celsius, we have C for degrees Celsius is equal to 5 over 9 times F for degree Fahrenheit minus 32, or C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 1.8. So for us to obtain the measure of degree Celsius, you have to have the given measure in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, because we will use that degree Fahrenheit to find the Celsius. Next, for degrees Fahrenheit, we have F is equal to 9 over 5 times C, where C is the degree Celsius, plus 32. Or F is equal to 1.8 times C, or degree Celsius, plus 32. So here, we will use degree Celsius for us to find the degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Or to find its equivalent in degrees Fahrenheit. So we can use this formula or this one. And this one or this one for degrees Celsius. Then for Kelvin, we only have one formula. Okay, example. Convert number 1, 27 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. We can use this formula or this one for degrees Fahrenheit. So in this case, I use this one, F is equal to 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So this is the formula, is equal to 1.8 times what is degrees Celsius, that is 27 plus 32. So let us simplify. 1.8 times 27 is 48.6 plus 32. Then let's add. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Then copy point 0.6. Therefore, the answer is 80.6 degree Fahrenheit. So 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 80.6 in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, next, 122 degree Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we can use this formula or this one. In this case, I use this formula. So C is equal to F minus 32 over 1.8. Let's substitute the given. So F is 122. So 122 minus 32 divided by 1.8. 122 minus 32 is 90 divided by 1.8 is 50 degrees Celsius. So 122 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Next, let's convert 59 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin. As you can see, for us to find Kelvin, we have first identify the measure of that temperature in degrees Celsius. But in this case, our given is in degrees Fahrenheit. So, we have first identify the equivalent of this degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. So, let's use this formula in Celsius. C is equal to F minus 32 divided by 1.8, wherein F is 59. Okay? So, 59 minus 32 is 27 divided by 1.8 is 15 degrees Celsius. Now, let's use this formula to find the Kelvin or to find in degrees Kelvin. Solve for K. So, K or Kelvin is equal to C plus 273.15 or 273.15 plus C. So, our C or our temperature in degrees Celsius is 15. So 15 plus 273.15 is equal to 288.15 Kelvin. Okay? Therefore, 59 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 288.15 Kelvin. Okay, let's have example number 4. So, the temperature for the day cools down to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius? How about in Kelvin? So, for the solution, find degrees Celsius first. Then after that, we are able to find Kelvin. So, our formula for degrees Celsius, we have degrees Celsius is equal to F minus 32 over 1.8. So F or degrees Fahrenheit is 77 minus 32, that is 45, divided by 1.8 is 25 degrees Celsius. Then after that, let's add this to 273.15 to find Kelvin. So degrees Celsius, that is 25, plus 273.15 is equal to 298.15 Kelvin. Okay? So, 77 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. And it is also equal to 298.15 Kelvin. Okay, now it's your turn. Convert the following. I'll give you time to answer this, then later on I will reveal the answer. Now I will reveal the answer. So for number 1, negative 35 degrees Celsius is equal to negative 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2, 86 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Number 3, 43 degrees Celsius is equal to 316.15 Kelvin. And number 4, The water in the kettle is 94 degrees Celsius and also 367.15 Kelvin. Okay, so 201.2 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 94 degrees Celsius and it is also equal to 367.15 Kelvin. Again, for us to find the equivalent unit of the given unit, we will use conversion. So that's all for today and thank you so much.